Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a feature on a curved surface. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have activated the part design workbench. I will create a new file and I will insert my body and I will on my plane. Now I will select this top plane and create a sketch. Now I will select the circle and create a circle. Now I will give the diameter of 100 mm. I will close my sketch, click on the pad, and I will give the pad height of 100 mm. Now we will create a feature on this curved surface, and for this we require a datum plane which will be the tangent to the surface. So for this I will on my origin plane I will select my plane YZ and create on a datum plane. So you can see that my first plane YZ has been selected, and now as our diameter is 100, so we will go to the Z directions and give the dimension 50 and we will rebuild it and we will off our origin plane. So now you can see that a datum plane has been created on the surface with a tangent. We can also see from the top view. Now we can create any feature on it. We can select this plane and create a sketch, and we can create any feature. We will close it and let's say cut of 20 mm and say OK, and we will hide our datum plane. So this is how we can create a feature on a curved surface with the help of a tangent plane. Now let's learn one more method of inserting the tangent plane, a plane tangent to the surface. We will delete it and we will also delete our datum plane. Now we will learn one more method. So we will use the vertex point. So I will select the point and I will create one vertex point and I will say OK. Now I will rebuild it. Now I will select the datum plane, and first reference we will select this vertex point, and second we will select this edge, and from here we will change our options. So here align XY and we will say OK. So this is the one more method to insert the tangent plane. We will rebuild it and we can create the required feature which we want on this plane. Let's see, I create a rectangle. In previous we have used the pocket feature. Now we will use the extrude options. So this is how to insert the datum plane with the two method which we have learned, and we have also learned how to create datum plane and create our feature on a curved surface. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.